First thing we're going to want to take off is going to be some of the clips that hold this cowl in place, and also the wipers. Pretty straightforward. We're going to start with 3 clips here. There's one here, one in the middle, one at the other end. You could use like a wedge tool, maybe a screwdriver. For this one, you could almost do it by hand. It's really up to you. And to take off the wiper arms, we're simply going to remove this upper trim piece that's kind of like, you know, up here with the cowl. Remove the dust cover for the nut that's holding the wiper arm down. And we're going to use a deep 17mm socket to take off the nut holding the arm. You want to make sure you keep these you know, kind of noted as to which one's on the right hand side or passenger side and which one's on the left. You don't want to mix them up, but overall it's pretty straightforward. Let's go ahead and start taking this stuff off.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
Next up, we're going to be removing these 2 end pieces here. There's one on either side. They pretty much just clip in. You want to try prying them up first from the kind of towards the middle of the car, this front portion here. Once you get that undone, there's going to be a blue clip also holding this piece in place. And under here, it's kind of like locked in into the fender. So for this, it's a little bit tricky because you do have the stud for the wiper arm. That kind of gets in the way, but you know, with some patience, you're going to be able to maneuver it. Don't be afraid to kind of force it. You know, if you need to bend it up a little to come up over the stud, you know, definitely that's what you need to do. And now basically all that's holding the cowl in place is the 2 little clips here, one on each side. They're very small clips, and you could use like a needle nose or a trim removal tool to help you out with that. But once you have those off, it's pretty much ready to come off. You've already disconnected your feed line for the washer nozzles. Everything's pretty much ready to go.